Welcome to our tutorial about the hole command. In a previous chapter, we reviewed the extrude command. Now you might think that I should be able to create a hole just using the extrude command. Theoretically, of course, that's true. However, the hole command gives you many more options and flexibility. Let's take a look at the hole dialog window. Our first option is placement. As you can see, Sketch 2 is already pre-selected. It contains 3 points, and when I'm done with this dialog window, those 3 points will be my holes. In the next section, we can choose the hole shape options: drill, counterbore, spot face, and countersink. Let's take a look at the drill hole shape. Once we've chosen a shape, we can specify the hole value. Set flat or angle point for the drill point. We can specify an angle value as well. Termination method. This can be a length you set. It can go through all or to a specific plane or face. Let's select through all. We click here to flip the direction. Under hole type, we can select between a simple hole, a clearance hole. If we choose clearance hole, we get a number of fastener options. The next option is a tapped hole. With a tapped hole, we can specify thread options below: type, size, etc. Lastly, we've got the tapped threaded hole. Let's stick with a simple hole. We'll use 1/8 of an inch and click OK. Now let's create another hole. A linear placement is already pre-selected. I'm going to select the face, line reference 1, and line reference 2. Let's enter a value of 1/2 inch. OK. And the second reference, also 1/2 inch. Click OK. Again, we can select the hole type, the termination type, and so on. Let's click OK. And here is our second hole feature. Let's create a couple more holes. I'm going to select a concentric hole this time. First, I select the plane. Then I select the concentric reference, and we specify the angle, and so on. OK. Let's make one more hole now. It's going to be on point. For the point, I'm going to select the center point. For the direction, I'll select this edge. Let's reverse the direction and click OK. And this concludes our tutorial about the hole command.